Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're breaking down what makes a search warrant invalid. A search warrant is a powerful legal document. It allows law enforcement to enter your private property without your permission. But this power isn't unlimited. The Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution protects you from unreasonable searches and seizures. For a warrant to be legal, it has to follow strict rules. If it doesn't, any evidence found could be thrown out of court. So, let's look at the key reasons a warrant might be declared invalid. First, there's a lack of probable cause. This is the absolute foundation of any valid warrant. Law enforcement can't just get a warrant on a hunch. They must present a judge with solid facts and evidence that would lead a reasonable person to believe a crime has been committed, and that evidence of the crime will be found at the location they want to search. If the information is weak, stale, or based on an unreliable source, the warrant can be challenged for not having enough probable cause. Second, the affidavit supporting the warrant contains false information. The officer requesting the warrant submits a sworn statement, called an affidavit, laying out the probable cause. If the officer knowingly or recklessly includes false statements in that affidavit, or leaves out critical facts that would have changed the judge's mind, the warrant can be invalidated. It's about honesty and accuracy in the legal process. Third, the warrant is not specific enough. The Fourth Amendment demands particularity. This means the warrant must clearly describe the exact place to be searched and the specific items to be seized. A warrant can't just say, search John Doe's property for illegal items. It needs to say something like, search the single-family home at 123 Main Street, specifically the master bedroom and garage, for a stolen 65-inch television, serial number XYZ. A vague or overly broad warrant is unconstitutional. Fourth, the judge who signed the warrant was not neutral. The person issuing the warrant must be a neutral and detached magistrate. This means the judge can't have a personal stake in the case or act like a member of the law enforcement team. If the judge just rubber stamps every warrant request without properly reviewing it, their neutrality is compromised, and the warrant is invalid. Finally, the execution of the warrant was improper. Even a perfectly written warrant can be invalidated if the police don't execute it correctly. They generally must knock and announce their presence before entering. They can only search in the areas specified in the warrant. For example, if the warrant is for a stolen car, they can't start looking through your desk drawers. Exceeding the scope of the warrant can make the search illegal. Understanding these points is crucial for protecting your rights. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button.